Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. Just wanted to put this quick video together for you, give you some tips and tricks on your website and how to rank better. The overall layout of your website looks great. Scrolling down through here, you do have some content. You've got several really nice before and after pictures. You get down to the bottom, you got some testimonials, your frequently asked questions, and you do have your map embedded in here, which is great. Google loves local, and having your map embedded in there, it lets them know exactly where you're at. Generally, we recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into the search bar organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I popped into one of our SEO tools over here. Your title tag, your meta description, and your H1 tag are all super important things to look at when Google is checking out your site. So here you've got up to 70 characters and yours has went out to 120. I would shorten this up, keep it short and simple. I would do Jacksonville, FL, power washing dash company name. Get that main city, get the service that you offer, and then a dash, and then your company name for branding purposes. Your meta description, you do want to have some of those keywords and stuff in there, and I'll show you some examples of that here in a minute. And then when you go down to the H1 tag, you're only supposed to have one H1 tag, and you've got multiple H1s on here, and I can show you where some of those are. This right here, I think that is your first H1 tag. Generally, the H1 tag is one of the first things that you see. It's more kind of the big and bold like this. But if you scroll down through here, like every one of the headers that you have in here are currently set as H1 tags. You want to narrow that down. Having multiple H1 tags, you're actually confusing Google. So I would change out your H1 tag. Maybe turn this one off so that it's not an H1 tag. But go down in here somewhere, pick one of these and just change it up, or even put it up here and then put your company information below that. But make your H1 tag super simple. Jacksonville, FL, pressure washing, or power washing, whichever one you want to use. But keep it short and simple. Build that clear path of communication with Google on exactly where you are, what service you provide, so Google knows what you want to be found for. So I did pull up Jacksonville pressure washing just to show you some examples. This blue line right here, that is the title tag on all of these pages. Of the three things we just talked about, the H1 is the only one that actually shows up on your website. But right here is that meta description. So you do want to get some keywords and stuff in there. Just don't make it too long. But if you look at these title tags, pretty much everyone ranking in the top 10 on this first page, all of them say pressure washing Jacksonville, Jacksonville pressure washing Jacksonville. They all say what they do and where they're located. It's not always like that. It's not 100% of the time that you're going to see it that way in the title tag, but it does show the importance of making sure that that title tag excuse me, is properly set up to show your location and the main service that you offer. So I hope that helps you out. If you got any questions, you know how to find me. Thank you for your time, and I will talk to you soon.